Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna start a low profile oil pan and front and back cover and stuff like that, the water pump too, get the bottom end ready basically. I recorded most of the stuff already, but I decided to split the video in two parts because it was just too long, because just the crank part was already like 20-22 minute video. But yeah. Alright, so now we're ready to get the chemistry container in there. It's always good to use a new one because there's an O-ring seal on there and it will cause a leak. There's this ring on here, you cannot replace it, it's glued in there. So, oh yeah, let me wipe it down one more time. Alright, so we got that plate in here. So that seal is basically sealing up the oil lines left and right side. So if that seal is leaking, you have a drop in your oil pressure, and drop in the oil pressure is not good at all. Okay. Alright, so that's good. So next step, timing chain. So there's a dot on the crankshaft, on the lower wheel somewhere, there it is. That goes up, like this. So then we got a new timing chain kit here. You don't replace this wheel because it's still good. But yeah, that's basically the kit. Like I said, this wheel is still good, so we don't replace that. That's how we need it. Yeah. That line's pretty much up. Alright. So 312 on this one. Okay, so the timing chain is in place. Turn it around a couple of times, see if the lines, the dots still mark up. And the dots line up perfectly. Lines are right. Okay, next step, oil pump. Alright, so here I got a new oil pump as a Melling. HV stands for high flow. Since drift car needs a good cooling system, so we're probably going with a oil radiator as well. And it's better to have a little bit more flow in the system. Alright, let's see what I got here. So the oil pump is trimmed and torqued down. So now we got the oil pan installation. Oil pan, I go with the low profile oil pan. Oh, let me turn the camera around. Yeah, that's basically the kit I got. Low profile oil pan, like the old one is like that high. This low profile comes with all the hardware. That's probably for in there. So we're gonna install this. Yeah, I'm gonna install that. I guess we are using still the original part for the what is going on the main caps. It comes with new screws for the oil pan, a whole hardware kit, plug and everything, and even block of caps and whatnot all. Block of caps and I think that's for a turbo return line or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna install this put everything loose together and put the oil pan on. I have to see if I have to cut the original piece what is going on top of here. Okay, I found it. It's right here. So we're gonna put that on there. Okay, so the oil pickup tube. Okay, so this will sit like this, but that is not interfering with this oil pan. It should not interfere with it. Okay, then I'm gonna put the seal on. So that would be the seal. Okay, seal. And now the oil pump. Or the oil pan. Okay. Okay, it's way up in the front, so I have to cut it right about here. That's right, that's where the main cap is at. Okay. But it's not that. That's high, that's pretty high. Yeah. Okay. I think we can cut only a little section out of it. See? So I have to make a cut till here, basically. But it was not that high, so it's probably okay if I cut it down here. Let me make that cut and then we're gonna see this again. I cut a piece out like here, so I still have a little bit anti-splash lining or whatever that is called here, and I still have the support, so I don't have it vibrating or anything. So I hope that's enough. Okay, I don't put the tube on there, the pickup tube right now. Fit it without a pickup tube, because that was not in the way anyways. Okay. Oh no. No, wait. Okay. That's flush. That's a good thing I don't have the cover on here right now. Oh yeah, or I didn't have to cut it that wide, but I have like half an inch space all around. Let me turn the crank. How close is the crank coming to the oil pan? Oh. It's coming really close. But it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Okay. Anyways, so since that's fitted, I'm gonna install this and the oil pickup tube. Then I put the covers on in the front and the back. Then we're gonna see this again when we install the oil pump. Alright, so front cap is on. Not tight, so there's still a little bit of play in it, not too much because we centered it already with the wheel. The back plate is on, and now we got the seal on, basically. So we put the oil pan seal on, and then we put the oil pan on. That's it. I hope. So oil pan is here. Okay. like there, where you see it, and these two corners, there and there, here and here. That's where I had to rework it, with my Dremel tool, and I got a lot of material away because the holes wasn't lining up, because it was hitting the bolts for the main cab at the back. Oh well, okay. But yeah, so now it's good. I cleaned everything again, and now it's gonna fit, so we can put the oil pan on. Okay. Let me get these two screws in there right quick. Nice. Oil pan is down. Now I get all the other screws in, and yeah, basically then it's done. We got the water pump on. It's already here, and the block is there. So once we got all these screws down, you're gonna hit the bottom two screws and the front two screws in to get them sealed up. And then we tighten up all these screws for the front and the back. So, oil pump is installed, cover installed, cover back installed. All the seals are on, this is installed. So, we're going to turn it around and install the water pump. What are the screws for? Oh, thermostat. Okay. We got a new thermostat too. Unfortunately, two of the screws are fucked up. Okay, so this is a new water pump. Outlet here, not here anymore. Fits in here like this. And you got a new thermostat too. For the cooling system I use the Gates stuff because it's pretty good, pretty much OEM. And yeah, I go ahead and install the water pump, and then we're gonna see us again. Alright, so the water pump is in, and thermostat too. So the bottom end is pretty much done. And yeah, if you want to keep track on the drift car build, building a drift car backwards, subscribe to the channel. And next step are the heads, belly pan, all that stuff. And yeah, I guess we're gonna see us next time. Okay.